He can impose reasonable restrictions on the future activities or investment of any of the defendants, any of the guys doing the racketeering, including but not limited to prohibiting them from engaging in the same type of endeavor as the enterprise in which he was engaged in violation of law. In other words, I'm going to prohibit you from engaging in this kind of business in the future. You just can't do it. You got to find something else to do. Well, sophisticated white-collar financial crime, oh my. The judge can order the dissolution or reorganization of any enterprise. Okay, we're going to break it up, appoint a court receiver, we're going to liquidate it all. I can order the suspension. I say I can. The judge can. I can ask. The judge orders it. The suspension or revocation of any license or permit to any enterprise that's involved. They can order the forfeiture of a charter of a corporation or LLC or other entity under certain conditions. All the property, real or personal, including money, used in the course of, intended for use in the course, or derived from, or realized through conduct in violation of these statutes, is subject to civil forfeiture to the state or to the federal government. The state shall dispose of all forfeited property as soon as commercially feasible. In addition to a person injured by reason of violation of these laws, in addition to the private cause of action, if the state has stepped in or the judge orders a forfeiture, any injured person shall have a right or claim to the forfeited property or to the proceeds derived from the forfeited property superior to any right or claim the state may have in the same property or proceeds. The creation of the additional exposure will oftentimes, but not always, help induce a reasonable settlement. Now, when you are unable to settle, that's why we have courtrooms, judges, and trials. And then you try the case. And no lawyer wins every case. It's hard to get to trial. The courts really pressure people to settle, but plenty of cases do get tried. And by the time you do the work to put one of these together, all that's left is the fun part of what happens in that courtroom. Because courtrooms are inherently places of uncertainty. It's just the way they are.